back to Glory Homemaker. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'll be making plantain porridge. I'll be using the half-ripe plantain because I don't want to use the ripe one. It will be too sweet, and I don't want to use the completely unripe one because it will be too hard. Plantain is very delicious and very healthy. I will leave a list of all these ingredients in the description box. So let's get cooking. In a dry pot on heat, I add in palm oil. I do not bleach the oil, I just allow it to melt. Then I pour in chopped onions. I stir this in and I allow this to fry for a minute. 1 minute later, I add in blended pepper. I stir it in. I allow this also fry for some seconds. 30 seconds later, I add in the blended crayfish. I stir in. I add in 1 seasoning cube. I break it in. I stir in. I add in salt. I stir in. I always say that your seasoning and your salt should be proportional to the quantity of food you are cooking. Now I add in water. I stir in and I add in the diced plantain. I mix this in properly. I'll taste for salt and seasoning now. Mine came out perfect. You can go ahead and adjust yours if need be. I add in the dried catfish. I've washed it. I'll cover and cook the plantain till tender. This is 15 minutes later. The plantains have cooked tender enough. Now I add in the washed scent leaves. And I stir all in together. The vegetables has been turned in properly. Now cover this to cook for 2 more minutes. 2 minutes later, our porridge is ready. I'll give it the final stir. Mix it in together. Please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. You will not be charged a dime for doing that. Thank you very much. Let's go ahead and serve this now. Our plantain porridge is ready. Please let me know what you think about this recipe and this video in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.